to my channel. Hope each and everyone is having a blessed and beautiful day. Now, as you can see by the title, I will be going to watch a Christmas parade that they be having around my area every year. I love to go and watch it. And then right after that, when I come back home, I will be decorating my kitchen cabinet because I had seen this on TikTok that's right here. And hopefully I can get it done because I want it the exact same way that I seen it on TikTok. So I'm about to go right now and leave to see this parade, and then I'll catch y'all in a few to go decorate my cabinets.
Few minutes later. One hour later.
Okay, so I just got back from the Christmas parade. Now I'm about to go and start decorating my cabinets. I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I have to decorate my cabinets. I'm sorry about my glasses. I had to take off my contacts. It's kind of irritating me, but this is irritating me even more because I do not like wearing glasses. But anyway, this is what I got from Dollar Tree. All right, so as you can see, I got approximately about 6 or 7 of the bowls. I got these, what is it? The same matching one, ribbon. So as you can see, I'm decorating the whole cabinet from there to here. So let me go right now and put my phone down so I can start getting everything ready to start decorating. All right, so far, so this is how it's looking. As you can see, I already did 2, so now I got a couple of more to go. So I'm gonna get to finish this and then I'll show y'all the end results. Alright, so I just finished doing my kitchen and this is how it looks. There you go, from there all the way to here. So guys, just leave a comment down below and let me know how y'all liked my decoration on the cabinets, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.